Let's solve product of array except self in 60 seconds or less. So we're given an array, and for every index, we need the product of every number except the number at that index. So for 1, 2, 4, and 6 at index 0, we can do 2 times 4 times 6, which would give us like 48. And here's like the tiny catch. We can't use division, so our approach will be prefix and suffix products. So here we're going to get the length of nums and create 3 arrays, one for the prefix, one for the suffix, and one for the final result. Then we need the first prefix to be 1 since there isn't anything before index 0, and then the last suffix is going to be 1 since there's nothing after the last index. Now I'll build the prefix array where each index stores the product of everything to the left, and then I will build the suffix array which where each index will store the product of everything to the right. And then finally, for each index, I'll multiply the left product by the right product, and that will give us the product of every number except itself. So hopefully you found this useful. Like and follow for more.